So once you find your first keyword or your seed keyword, the next step is to look for even more keywords that you could actually optimize on your website to rank well on Google. And this is where your competitors come into play. Now in this video, you're going to learn how to find even more keywords by looking at what your competitors are ranking for. So if we look at our website now, this is the website. It's about dog food, pet food or things like that. So now what we can do is we can go back to keyword planner and just click on discover new keywords and just head over to start with a website. So now the question is, what kind of websites do we want to use and start looking at keywords from? Well, what you can do here is just go to Google and just search for your main target keyword or your main focus keyword or your seed keyword, whatever you call it. So in my case, my seed keyword is dog food. So I will just take this keyword and I will just paste it here and just search for the specific keyword. So now what we want to rank for dog food, right? So in order to achieve that, there is a lot of keywords that we can actually optimize on our website and start building authority just like all of these websites have, right? And as you could see, this website has done the best job. This is ranking on the topmost position for this particular keyword. On the first position, I would say. So what we want is we want to understand what different keywords this website is using and ranking highly for, right? And since because it's a very short keyword, it's also a very competitive keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all the keywords that are ranking for, right? So let me just copy the link address and I will go back to keyword planner and I will just paste the keyword here. Now this is important. Use only this page. Since it's not the entire website that is ranking on top for this specific search term, but this page specifically, right? So we only want to find the top keywords for this specific page here, right? So now just click on get result. So now we are getting a bunch of keywords, right? So now the first thing I want to do, as usual, I will just click on this average monthly searches to put all the top searches on the top. Now chances are it's gonna be a lot more harder for you to rank for this keyword, for this very short keywords: dog food, best dog food, puppy food, dry dog food. So now what you can do is you can just scroll down and you will get to see some long tail keywords, right? You could see best dog food in India. So you will see some keyword where you can imagine, okay, so I could create content around this particular keyword, and it's probably going to be a lot more easier for you to rank for this specific keyword, for this specific long tail keyword. And this is actually a very good keyword since it has 4 words rather than just 3, 2 or 1, and it's usually called as the long tail keywords. And there's a super simple way to verify that. So what you have to do is just copy the keyword and just go to google.com and just search for the specific keyword. Great. So now what you have to do is you just have to look over the domain authority and the page authority of the websites that are ranking for this specific keyword, right? So as you could see, 33, 36, 62, it's pretty high. Again, if I scroll down, 39, 19, see, this is fantastic. So as you could see, this domain is actually weak. Now the page is a little bit stronger, but that doesn't really matter to us. This still signals to us that despite of having such a weak website, they are able to rank for this particular keyword, which means that since we have a weak website, we have a newly started website, chances are, we are also going to be able to rank for this keyword, right? And this is amazing, right? So you could see it's not below 19, but it's still good to be at 19. So what I will do is I will just take this keyword and I will go back to my keyword research sheet and I will just note it here. And let me also copy the search volume here. Fine. So let me fix it up. Fantastic. So as you could see, now we have two keywords. One that's pulled from a generic keyword, which is our seed keyword or our main focus keyword, and the another one is from our competitors. So there are many different ways to find keywords, but even with this simple process, you will find more than enough keywords to start bringing in high quality traffic, to start getting sales or sign-ups or leads or whatever results you are looking for on your website. So in the next lecture, we are going to start looking at content creation. So you can start putting all these keywords that you have found through this process and you can start getting high quality traffic. So that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.